Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then all you have to do is to simply tap on the icon the button with the square icon, which will appear either here or here depending on which layout you've chosen. If you've got the gestures, then all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see here, we've got previously open tabs. And basically, if you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them. Just find them and swipe it up just like that. But if in your case you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't have time to do it manually, just tap on this X button. As you can see, we just got back to the home page. We've got also this information, but let's enter it again to check. And here we've got no recent items. We actually even cannot stay here. We've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.